How to get Spotify Premium for students. Hi guys, in today's episode I'm going to be showing you how to get Spotify Premium for students. Now to begin with, check your internet connection, open up a Spotify account. Once you open up a Spotify account or logged in, it's going to take you to the home page. Here you can see right at the bottom there are multiple tools. Go ahead and tap the premium from bottom right hand side corner. After you've done that, scroll down and look for the option that says premium student, and in order to get started with, tap on try free for 1 month. After you've done that, it's going to take you to the web page, and here you'll need to go through all sort of information. So first of all, you'll have to verify, so click the next button once in order to verify your identity. On the other page, it's going to take you to the page where you'll need to inform them about the following information, that is the country, school, first name, last name, date of birth, email address, contact info, and mark on the terms and condition, and tap the next button. As soon as you've done that, you'll have to provide in some credit card details, and once you're done with that procedure, if the information seems to be valid enough, then you'll be receiving a statement stating that you've successfully got a Spotify Premium for students account. So in this way you can create or get a Spotify Premium account for students. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.